India is a country which has a very rich cultures and different identities, and because of this, it has faced many challenges. And there is a issue of equal representation and opportunity for all its citizens. The Indian Constitution draft in 1949 recognizes the need and establishment of the comprehensive framework for reserve seats to address historical inequalities and promote social justices. This video examines the concept of reserved seats in the Indian Constitution, its legal framework, and its impact on society. Historically, India has been plagued by rampant discrimination based on caste, religion, and economical status. The caste system, a rigid social hierarchy, divided society into various castes, certain castes facing systematic disadvantages. Similarly, religious minorities after facing face discrimination, and it is very common to discriminate people. The Indian Constitution aimed to address these social ills by providing affirmative action policies, including reserve seats, Article 15, subsection 4, and Article 16, subsection 4 of the Indian Constitution, empowerment the government to make special provision for social and educational backward classes. These provisions provide the legal basis for reserve seats in educational institutions, government jobs, and elected bodies. The Constitution also specifies that such reservation should not exceed 50% of the total seats. The Supreme Court of India has played a significant role in interpreting and upholding the legal framework of the reserved seats. In the landmark case of Radha Sovina versus Unity of India 1992, the court established a 50% 50% on reserves and laid down guidelines to prevent misuse and abuse of the policy. The Indian Constitution provides for several types of seat reservation based on various criteria. Caste-based reservations. These reservations are intended for the members of scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes who have historically faced severe discrimination and disadvantage. Religious-based reservations. Certain states have provisions for religious minorities such as Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, and Buddhists. In education institutions and government jobs, economical based reservations. The Constitution provides for reservation for economical weaker sections of the society, regardless of class and religion. Gender based reservations. Certain states have implemented reservation for women in local bodies, educational institutions, and government jobs. The seat reservations have played a vital role of increasing the representation of marginalized communities in India's society. It has enabled historically underrepresented groups to access to education, employment, and political power. Reservations have also been helped to challenge the traditional prejudice and promote a very inclusive society. However, the reserved seats have also faced criticism and challenges. Some of the critics argue that it creates a system of reserve discrimination against non-reserved categories. They contend that the merit should be the sole criteria for selection, regardless of social economical factors on the point to potential misuse and abuse of reservations. Policies leading to allegations for corruption and insufficiency. Seat reservations in the Indian constitutions are complex and controversial issue that has shaped the country's social political and economical landscape. While it has undoubtedly contributed to the greater representation and inclusivity, it has also faced challenges and criticism as India continues to navigate to delicate balance between equal opportunity and merit. The legal framework and its implications of seat reservation will require ongoing is security and reinforcement or to ensure that it will remain an effective tool of social justice and social progress.